After a few months, the Honor Magic 6 Pro has a new cloud purple color model that makes this phone even more elegant than ever. And it's such a coincidence that Honor decided to give this phone a color refresh, while devices like the Huawei Pura70 Pro recently made its debut in Malaysia. And what's even more surprising here is that they happen to have super fast cameras in the segment. So today's video is not going to be about which one is better, but rather I want to share the advantages that both devices have, test out their cameras, and ultimately you be the judge to tell me which is the better phone for you. I love the new color variant of the Honor Magic 6 Pro, and it continues to feature a vegan leather bag that resists fingerprints and smudges. The new color isn't entirely purple, as it has a slight blue color hue to it that gives it a dreamy feel, which makes this a very unique looking device. Both phones have 6.8-inch OLED screens that refresh at 120Hz with high PWM dimming frequencies. The Magic 6 Pro has more eye care features such as circadian light display. In terms of screen protection, the Magic 6 Pro's nano crystal shield glass and the Pura70 Pro's Kunlun Glass 2 offers the same excellent protection against drops and scratches. Although the Huawei Magic 6 Pro and Huawei Pura70 Pro uses the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and Kirin 9010 processor respectively, they both perform really fast in the real world, and in fact, I really don't find any difference when it comes to launching apps and playing games. These phones also come with 12 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of storage that's sufficient for most people. And most importantly, these phones don't get hot when using for extended periods. Like I mentioned in the beginning, the Honor Magic 6 Pro and Huawei Pura70 Pro features a similar fast action capture feature. It is called AI motion sensing on the Magic 6 Pro and Snapshot on the Pura70 Pro. They use advanced AI algorithms to capture fast-moving subjects with great clarity and works on all three lenses. The Honor Magic 6 Pro can perform faster and can instantly capture subjects without tapping the shutter button, while the Pura70 Pro also does a great job as it post-processes the image after the image is taken. Their cameras are super impressive and so fast that not many other flagship phone cameras can do. Both phones have excellent camera hardware and can take relatively good-looking photos. It's hard to pick one because they have their respective advantages in this set of shots. And this is where you tell me which phone camera you prefer in the comments. One thing that the Honor Magic 6 Pro stands out is its 180-megapixel tele-Falcon camera. Although it has a shorter optical zoom range than the Huawei Pura70 Pro, shooting at its native resolution allows you to crop further into your subject without losing detail. The Magic 6 Pro also takes higher resolution ultra-wide than the Pura70 Pro at 50 megapixels. The front-facing camera also takes 50-megapixel shots and is assisted by a secondary depth camera. The Huawei Pura70 Pro's main 50-megapixel camera has a better aperture range of f1.4 to f4.0, which gives photographers better control on light intake as you can step up to different apertures instead of just switching between two fixed apertures on the Magic 6 Pro. Ultimately, these phones have really good camera systems that you can't go wrong with. The Magic 6 Pro and Pura70 Pro sport large batteries that supports fast charging. The Magic 6 Pro is the first flagship smartphone to use a high-density silicon carbon battery with a whopping 5,600 mAh battery, while supporting 80 watts fast wired and 66 watts fast wireless charging. The Pura70 Pro may have a smaller 5,050 mAh battery, but it charges faster with 100 watt fast wired charging and 80 watts fast wireless charging. Both phones will easily last 2 days of regular use, and since they both support fast charging, there's really no need to worry should you run low on battery. The Honor Magic 6 Pro Cloud Purple color will be available on 31st May 2024 onwards for the same amazing price of 4,499 ringgit, while you continue to get free gifts worth 1,696 ringgit for whichever color you choose. Also, purchasing any colors of the Honor Magic 6 Pro between 24th to 30th May 2024 will score you a free Honor Choice Halo watch. The Huawei Pura70 series can also be pre-ordered now with great value free gifts to be scored as well. So definitely go check these two phones and let me know which one you will go for in the comments below. So thanks for watching, get subscribed to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.